Hi, this is Dan Ream from the RCC Library, and this is Dan Ream's 5-minute whiz-bang guide to finding video. Oh, that's not me. Hold on, wrong picture. Anyway, that is my name, Dan Ream, and that is my email address, dream@rappahannock.edu. Bet you don't know who that guy is, but if you are curious, let me know and I'll tell you. Anyway, let me go back to, there we go. That's me. That's what I look like. Anyway, I don't put my faces on these little 5-minute videos because it's not that exciting. But anyway, here is the contact information, and that is actually me. So let me get into finding video. Go to the library homepage, stop 1. Type in a topic that you're looking for. Let's say kangaroos, for example. Got to spell it right. There we go. We found 1,071 items on kangaroos. Now, I don't want books and articles. I want just videos. Well, here at the top of the screen, where it says Show Me, I can choose Multimedia and then click Search, and my 1,071 items drops down to just 21 items. Now, this is a computer search tool. It doesn't read your mind. It does what you tell it to. So it actually found the word kangaroo in each of these items. Dr. Seuss's Horton Hears a Who. This is a DVD at the Glens campus. There's the call number for it and so on. So you can actually, it says available. So it means you could borrow it right this minute over at the Glens Library. But here's we have Kangaroo Island. That's a place. It's not really the animal I'm thinking of, but it might be useful. But again, this is the kind of thing that happens with searching sometimes. But let's go down a little bit further. Here's Stanley Hop to It. Again, this is a Rappahannock Library Warsaw juvenile video. Video for kids, I guess. And again, this is available to check out. Here we go. Here's Australia's Greatest Islands. Southern Australia, don't forget your passport, and so on. If you want to see if the kangaroos are treated in any of these, let's go to Southern Australia, don't forget your passport. This links us to a video online. Rappahannock Community College has about 3,000 to 4,000 DVDs on its shelves in Warsaw and Glens. Online, we have over 30,000 streaming videos. And what you'll find in these videos is educational films, mostly coming from sources like BBC or PBS television here in the U.S., or Discovery Channel, or other sorts of sources that make good quality videos. What we have here that does beyond what a YouTube video does, this by the way is about a 45-minute video. If I hit the play button in the center, it should play just fine. This would work the same if you were at home. And while you are probably not hearing that, it's playing in my ears. So I'm going to pause the video right there so I don't have it yelling at me. What this does that YouTube doesn't do. By the way, I'm a big fan of YouTube, so I'm not going to put that down. But YouTube doesn't do this. It doesn't break it into segments. So maybe I don't have time for 45 minutes video. I want to just go into this 2 minutes and 38 seconds about wild kangaroos. And this takes me to that section of the video. Oh, I love that accent. You probably can't hear it on the video that you're watching with me, but it's quite fun. Anyway, there's the section. Now, if I want to, I can also have a transcript. In other words, every word that the man says is highlighted as he says it. And that's actually helpful for a couple reasons. First of all, you may not be able to understand him because of his accent. It's pretty strong. But more importantly, this is a better reason. If you wanted to quote this, let's say he's saying something that you want to quote in your paper, you can cut and paste it, copy. You're not really cutting it, but you're copying it, and then you can paste it into your paper as a quotation. Of course, when you do that, you need to cite where did you get it from. You can go to citation right here, and here it gives you the citation in MLA or APA style, whichever your teacher requires. One weakness of these citations, the second line here should be indented. This, by the way, shows the date that I'm making this video. That's the date you watch something online, or the date you observe a website. You would need to always document the date as part of your citation. But anyway, this ability to get the quotation exactly right, to go to just one segment of it that's useful to you, this is what the online Films on Demand collection does that you can't easily do with YouTube. I'm going to jump back here to the library webpage to our databases list. There's another one I wanted to show you called American History on Video. And it's here listed alphabetical order. Here it is, American History in Video. This is the second largest collection we have after Films on Demand. And what you can do here is and it tells us we have access today to 6,000 videos. I'm going to search in here for this word JIMI, which leads me to a video called Jimmy Plays Monterey, which really surprised me the first time I saw it here. I'd never thought about Jimi Hendrix as American history, but this actually will in a moment start streaming a film that I saw in a theater in the early 1970s as a college student about Jimi Hendrix performing at the Monterey Pop Festival in 1967. And if I jump ahead here, you can see scenes from the concerts and so on. Much more entertaining for me because I'm hearing the music. But anyway, the idea here is that we have excellent, sometimes even entertaining, online video collections. American History and Video's great collection. Films on Demand, which we found the kangaroos in. Both of these can be searched through the library quick search catalog. It searches that automatically. If we go here to the library and type our topic in, again, I could type in Jimmy here, and what it does is gives me all the items, books or videos or articles that have that word in it. Since he spells his name funny, not too many things should come back, even though it's taking longer than I expected. Come on. Did I break it? Come on, come on, come on. There it goes. For 350 items, I can now narrow it down to multimedia, hit search, and now I will have just videos. And apparently other people are named Jimmy. J-I-M-I. I didn't know that. Or maybe it corrected my spelling. Anyway, the idea here is that we have great video collections online. We have video on our shelves, which again you can find through the quick search catalog as well. And I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching. Again, that's me. That's my email address. Send me questions if you got them. Dream@rappahannock.edu. Bye.